Hello everybody, this is Vincent from Affiliate Theme.io, and this video is about adding posts. So first of all, what are posts? So back in the days when WordPress was still a little content management system for people to publish their blogs, posts were the heart of the system. So basically posts are all the articles people published in their blogs. And a post to pages, which are rather static content, they just appear as a list on your blog page. So let's just start by adding a few posts. So the interface of adding a new post in the backend is similar to the pages we already talked about. So first of all, we can add a title. Let's just call it update 1 for now. And we can add some lorem ipsum here in the content section. And again, on the right side, we have a similar interface. First of all, we can save this post as a draft. Let's just do it for now. So now the post is visible in the backend. So if you click all posts here, you can see it's there and it's marked as a draft. So only you can see that post. Nobody else can see it. So if a user comes to your website, he's not going to see this post. So if you wanted to publish this post you just created, well, you click publish. So now we still have three options here on the right side: categories, tags, and the featured image. So first of all, let's try to find out where the difference between categories and tags is. So this is very important in the WordPress system, that you understand this right from the beginning. So categories cover a broad range of topics, and tags are very much focused on specific narrowed topics. So just to give you an example, we want to create an affiliate website that deals with gaming gadgets. So a very general category here would be gaming gadgets. And we're going to add this as a new category, and it's already chosen now. And tags could be very specific things. For example, if this post is about gaming displays, maybe full HD would be a relevant tag. So under tags, you really can add lots of different tags that might correspond with the content of your post. So just try to be creative and add as many senseful tags as you can, because first of all, this is very senseful for your WordPress system, because here on the left, all your posts are organized around categories and tags. So for example, if you want to have all posts about gaming gadgets, you just click on categories, gaming gadgets, and you're going to find those posts. And the same thing for tags, you will find the corresponding posts. So this is one reason why this is important. The second reason is because search engines such as Google really care about tags and categories, because it makes those attributes make it easier for Google or other search engines to understand what your article is about in a very fast way. So just bear that in mind, and it's very sensible to use that. So there's still one option remaining on the right side, and this is the featured image. So let's switch to the front end to understand what this featured image is. So right now we're on the blog page of our website, and we already see two blog posts listed here. First of all, the Hello World post, which is always there when you install WordPress, and the update one we just created. So here you see a little excerpt, and above or next to the excerpt, usually a little image is displayed. So and this little image, also called thumbnail, is the featured image you can define here. So let's just do this. I already have a little placeholder image here. We click set featured image, and let's just define two other options. So let's take a look at the author section right here. So if we just click this button, it will open up, and we can assign a specific author to this article or as it is called in WordPress post. So right now I am assigned as the author, but if you have multiple colleagues in your WordPress system, you can just change the author of this specific post and of course of any other post here under the author section. So this is one thing. And another thing is a special option we have under publish right up here. And it is right next here to the calendar. So let's just assume you wrote a post and you want it to be published on a specific date in the future. So right here we can click this little edit button, and let's assume we want the article to be published in August. Let's say on the 15th, and you can even change the exact time. So let's just click OK and then schedule. And now this post will be posted right on the 15th of August at this exact time. And now we can also define the excerpt. So the excerpt is this little part displayed on the blog page. So WordPress always takes the first 1 or 2 sentences of your blog post as an excerpt, but maybe you want one specific sentence or paragraph to be displayed there. So let's just assume we want it to be the last sentence. So we just copy and paste it down here in excerpt. Click update. And see the image is now there and also the text changed. So the last thing we want to do is try to use the bulk editor. This is a very useful feature you find here under all posts. So you can mark a couple of different posts you already wrote and you can edit them all together. So let's just click edit here and apply. And what appears now is a little editing window which will be applied to all the posts you chose. So for example, if you want all of the posts that you have clicked to have the category gaming gadgets, you can just choose it here. And for example, also define an author for everything and other things. For example, also the status can be changed from multiple blog entries. So you can just click update and you can see that now the category gaming gadget was defined for both posts we have. Last but not least, you should find the trash right over here. So for example, if you were to delete this post, hello world, let's just do it now. It will appear here in the trash section. So if you already deleted it, you can of course restore it. So everything that is in the trash is restorable. But also from time to time you should check your trash and just empty it if you're sure you want to delete everything permanently that is there. So in that case, we really don't need the hello world post anymore. So let's just click delete permanently.